Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trust Wallet on different devices. Please watch this video till the end. There are a few simple steps. If you follow these steps, you can easily set up Trust Wallet on your mobile and desktop. The step is very easy. You need to install Trust Wallet app on your mobile. First, either you can go to Google Play and App Store, depend upon the device you are using, or you can directly go to their website where they have already provided links to the Google Play and App Store. Because I'm using Android based mobile, so I press on Google Play button. It will take you to the Google Play Store. Because I have already installed Trust Wallet on my mobile, so open button is shown on this page, but you are installing it for the first time, so instead of open button they will show you install button. Once the installation is complete, open button will be shown on the screen. Press open button, it will take you to Trust Wallet app. Opening of Trust Wallet app gives you two options: create a new wallet. Second is I already have a wallet. Because you are using and downloading Trust Wallet for the first time, so you will use a create a new wallet tab first. But before doing this, they have highlighted some key features of Trust Wallet. We will see those features first. They say private and secure. Private keys never leave your devices. All assets in one place. View and store your assets seamlessly. Trade assets. Trade your assets anonymously. Explore decentralized app. Earn, explore, utilize, spend, trade, and more. So now you press on create a new wallet tab. The next step is, this is the most important step, backup your wallet now. In the next step you will see secret phrase of 12 words that allow you to recover a wallet. This is the most important part, because these 12 words or secret phrase is the only way you can recover your wallet in case you lost your wallet, or you uninstall it from your device, or you buy a new mobile, or your mobile device is being snatched. So this is the only way to recover your wallet and your crypto assets and funds that are stored in this wallet. So either you need to remember these 12 words or secret phrase, or you write it down on some piece of paper and keep it safe, or you copy these 12 words on a device and store this device on a secret. Further highlight, if I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. You need to check this and agree on it. If I explore or share my secret phrase to anybody, my funds get stolen. Need to check this as well. Trust Wallet will never reach out to ask for it. They say Trust Wallet or any of their representative never ask for your secret phrase. If anybody asks that or claim that he is from the Trust Wallet team and he want to know about your secret phrase, never give them. They are the imposters or scammers who want to steal your funds. So you need to check on all these three like this and press on a continue button. Because I'm recording this video, but Trust Wallet for security reason never let me record this page or take a screenshot of it, so I make a photo of this page from other device and recording this page for you. For your ease, they highlight on this page 12 different words in an order. They say your secret phrase. Write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere else safe. If you miss an order, you cannot recover your wallet in future. If you lost it, or uninstall it, or your mobile is lost, so you cannot recover it. So important is write down in the same order as mentioned on this page. So they also caution you, do not share your phrase to anyone, as this gives full access to your wallet. Trust Wallet support will never reach out to ask for your secret phrase. Then you need to do, if you once you copy, write it down on some piece of paper or store it on some hard drive, you press on continue button. When you press on a continue button, it will take you to the next page, where they have already provided you 12 word secret phrase in an unarranged manner. So all you need to do is write down in a exact manner or in an exact arrangement as was given in earlier page. So all you need to do, write down once again in the exact manner and arrangement. So I did it already. So when you finish this work, press on done button. When you finish arranging 12 word secret phrase, press on done button. It will take you to this page. They say, well done, your Trust Wallet account has been created. Currently wallet balance is showing 0 because you haven't yet add any funds on it. By default, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Beacon Chain, Binance Smart Chain has added on your main page. In my upcoming video, I will teach you to add other tokens and bring those tokens onto your main page. These tokens have already been supported and added in Trust Wallet, and I will also teach you in my upcoming videos how to add tokens which are not added in Trust Wallet, and how different chains token can be added. And I will also teach you how to send and receive funds on this wallet, how to receive and send tokens to different devices and receive tokens from other person as well. So keep watching my channel to know all about these. I hope you found this video helpful in setting up your Trust Wallet, and I request you please keep watching my channel so that when I upload new video, you will get notified instantly and you don't miss quality and important information in future.